Want to create custom invoice templates in teamwork.com? Whether you're managing projects or billing clients, Teamwork offers a smooth, organized way to handle your invoicing needs. Stick around till the end for some exclusive tips, and I'll show you how to set up custom invoice templates so you can streamline your billing process like a pro. To get started, let's first talk about the basics of teamwork.com. It's a project management tool that not only helps you track tasks, but also includes powerful invoicing features. You can manage your clients, set up tasks, and now customize your invoices all in one platform. Now, creating a custom invoice template in teamwork.com is a straightforward process. First, head to the billing section within your Teamwork account. If you're new to the software, don't worry. Navigating through the interface is intuitive. Once in the billing section, click on Templates. You'll see the option to create a new template. This is where you get to add your own unique touches. You can adjust things like company name, address, logo, and payment terms, making the invoice truly your own. Teamwork even allows you to create different templates for various clients or projects, making it super flexible for your needs. A key feature here is the ability to add custom fields. This means you can personalize invoices further by including specific information such as project milestones, hours worked, or custom service descriptions. You're essentially tailoring the invoice layout for different client needs, which can save you a lot of time when it's time to send them out. Once your template is designed, Teamwork lets you preview it before using it. This ensures everything looks perfect before you send it off to clients. It's all about ensuring professionalism and accuracy when dealing with invoices, especially when your reputation is on the line. One of the things I love about teamwork.com is that you can save multiple templates. This comes in handy if you're managing several clients or projects at once and you don't want to redo your templates each time. Each template can be linked to a specific project or client, making your invoicing process even more efficient. Another benefit to creating custom invoice templates in Teamwork is integration. You can sync invoices with the project details you've already entered, making sure everything aligns properly without having to manually re-enter information. By the way, you can use Teamwork completely for free with the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses just for signing up through us. So why is this important? Custom invoices not only help you stay organized, but they also add a level of professionalism that your clients will appreciate. With Teamwork, you're not just sending out invoices, you're presenting a polished professional image. Finally, remember that with Teamwork, invoicing can be automated for recurring clients, so you don't have to worry about generating invoices each month. This takes the burden off your shoulders and allows you to focus on more important tasks. If you want to start using Teamwork for free today and get exclusive bonuses, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Teamwork's free trial is all you need to start creating custom invoice templates and transforming your invoicing process right now. That's it for today's quick guide on how to create custom invoice templates in teamwork.com. Make sure you hit the link below for that extended free trial and get started on making your invoicing a breeze.